Are you still updating your Notion account manually? Then let me show you the working of this automation. So here I'm going to fill my type form, providing my user's first name as test, and here I'm going to enter the last name as user, and afterwards I'm going to provide the email as test@pabblytudes.com, and afterwards I'm going to enter the phone number of my lead, and here I'm going to enter the city as Bhopal. And as I will make the entry or fill this form, the data will be automatically updated over my Notion account without I have to do anything manually. But before submitting this form, let me show you my Notion account and the database. So right here I'm on my Notion account on this database named as all customers, where you can see that right now I don't have any type of data. And as I will fill my type form, the data will be automatically updated in my Notion account. So here I'm going to simply click over the submit button for submitting my type form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Notion account to check for the database items or the leads data. So right here I'm on my Notion account on this database which I have just shown you, and here I'm successfully receiving the data, that is the full name, email, phone number and the city of the user which has just filled a type form. So you can see the working of this amazing automation, which is automatically updating my Notion account as I'm receiving a new lead. So you can also create this automation for updating your Notion account automatically. And for that, you just have to use one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool by using which you can integrate your varieties of business applications and can automate your entire business task. So by using this automation tool, you can integrate your Notion with any business application through which you are receiving your leads. And that data will be automatically updated over your Notion without you doing anything manually. So now let me show you how to use this automation tool and how you can create this automation. So for that, you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. And the best part is you don't require any type of coding or technical skills. So let's move on towards the workflow page. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by opening your browser and typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And right here we are on the official website of Pabbly Connect, where we are getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial. Means you can create and try this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation tool and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where we have to select our trigger application. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as type form, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my type form. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new entry and build a connection. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you just have to select this button, that is connect with type form. And here I'm going to authorize the access by simply selecting this authorize button. And here I can easily build the connection because I have already logged in my type form account, which you can see here. And now it is asking me to select the form through which I want to receive my new leads. So here I'm going to select this form, that is lead form. So here I have selected the form, and here I'm going to select my response format as advanced, as I want my data in the advanced format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now let's fill our type form, that is lead form, and get the data. So right here I'm on my lead form, which I'm going to fill, providing the first name as demo, last name as user, and I'm going to provide the email as demoUser@pabblytudes.com, and afterwards I'm going to enter the phone number, and here I'm going to enter my city as Bhopal. And now let's submit this form by simply selecting the submit button. And here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now this data might be captured over the Pabbly Connect, as we have just built in the connection. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see that we are successfully receiving this response consisting the first name of the user, last name, email, phone number and the city. Now here we are having the data, and now I want to add or track this data over my Notion account automatically. So for that I'm going to use my action application application followed by this trigger application, and right here my action application is going to be Notion, as I want to track all this data in my Notion account. So here I'm getting this application which I have selected. Now let's select the app event as create database item and build a connection. And right here for building the new connection, you have to select this button that is connect with Notion. And here I'm going to select the pages to access by simply selecting this button. And here you can see that these are the pages which I have created over my Notion account. So here I'm going to allow the access by simply selecting this allow access button. And here the connection has been built in, as I have already logged in my Notion account. And now it is asking me to select the database where I want to add the details of my lead. So right here the database is already selected, that is all customers. So here you can see that in my Notion account I have created this database where I want to save the details or track down my leads. So here we are receiving all these fields. So the first field we are receiving is for entering the city. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type the city name like this. But no, because Pabbly Connect provides a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these details from the response which I'm receiving from type form, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is so simple. You just have to press this slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response I'm going to map the city, and now here I'm going to map the email address, and now here I'm going to map our next field, that is phone number. And now for the full name I'm going to firstly provide the first name, and here I'm going to provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name. And these fields are dynamic, means these will be replaced as the new form submission will be received over your type form. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request for tracking this data over my Notion account. And right here we are receiving this positive response demonstrating that this data might be added to my Notion account. So right here I'm on my Notion account, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this data of my lead, having the user's full name, email, phone number, and the city which I have just filled over my type form. So you can see that I have easily tracked down my Notion data in this particular database named as all customers. So now we have successfully automated our Notion account, and now you don't have to check for your leads and add those leads to your Notion account, because this automation is going to do so. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and update your Notion automatically without doing anything manually. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.